Okay, it is December 3rd, 12:40, and we got in shipment from Flipper Zero. Basically, I bought two of everything. One for the home lab and one for the tool bag. Is that gonna hold still? Yes, looks like it will. Okay. Because I can't do this seated. Oh. Maybe this can come lower. Yeah, it gives the camera a better view anyway, so that's fine. All right. So let's set the rest of that aside. Yay. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. Extremely useful multifunction security tool. All right, so we have little USB-C. It's in there pretty firmly. Oh, it has a nice little weight to it. There's that, oh gee, I forget the name of it. There's like a wall button thing that you can hold it to. This thing's still cold because it's been sitting out. All right, let's take this off. Not sure how visible this is. Oh, no, we're fine. That was a reflection. I thought there was a crack in like the corner of the screen, but no. That was, okay. That was just a reflection I saw when I was holding it at an angle. All right. Hold this to turn on. No. Allow me to introduce myself. Shieldgird. Okay. Shieldgird Cyber Dolphin. I can grow smart and cool if you use me often. As long as you read, write, and emulate. Can check my level and mood in the passport menu. This thing's so cute. I need an SD card. That's fine. It's so cute. It's a little blushing. Sweet. Okay, so we held this down, turn it on. Do we do the same turn it off? Ah! The lab kitties want the dolphin. Bad lab kitties. Being covetous of my cyber dolphin. Alright, so let's try just holding that down. I don't think that's how you turn it off. Alright. Hey, RTFM. Alright, so powering on, hold back 3 seconds to turn on. Updating firmware, rebooting. What about turning off? This is all compliance stuff and warnings. We have the full manual here. Let's just play with it. So that just turned on a backlight. Maybe we really should just read the manual. Let's pause for a second. And we're back. Okay, so double tapping the back button seemed to proceed us further. It says, need an SD card. What I have is this from my phone. It says it can support up to 128. This is 256, so it's probably not going to work. We can put it in and try. All data will be saved on SD card. That's the way to OK. No database is found on SD card. Sure. Go to flip.dev/update. Okay. Cute. I can joke better. Down? Okay, browser. So that's all the stuff from the SD card. Back? Or that's back. Okay, so double tapping that. Got me to this mode. Back. Please update firmware before using this feature. All right. I'm gonna leave it at that for now.